What's up guys, how you doing, and welcome back to my channel. Today and once again I will show you how to overclock your balance from $100 only. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you get the most of it. And if you would have any question after watching this video, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video, and also the link to my private Telegram channel where I share daily trading signals and also run weekly marathons to increase your balance from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you check these links below. And also to sign up for PocketOption and to get 50% bonus on your deposit, make sure to text me today on Telegram to get the link that will give you that bonus. And without further ado, let us get straight to trading. Today I'm trading the currency pair, the euro and the British pound, and I'm gonna start trading with $100. And without waiting for further price growth, I'm gonna make a down trade for $100 for 1 minute. But it turns out that I was a little hasty here. This also happens, but the most important thing is that the direction of your prediction is calculated correctly. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. And I have no doubt about my trade, by the way, since I made my decision based on the price. On one hand, it was growing, and also the line of the Williams R% indicator that I'm using today was very much deviated and was almost in a horizontal position. And as I think you already know, that this behavior of the Williams indicator indicates a possible decline in price. And as we can see right now, the price is a little bit fluctuating. It's declining. All right. Our trade is about to close. By the way, the time frame today is 30 seconds. And my trickles of profit added to my account, $88. Today, I once again want to talk to you about such an important factor for successful binary options trading, which is risk management. But before that, violating all rules, I'm gonna change my trading amount to $180. All right. And risk management is the foundation for building a successful trading system, not only for binary options, but also for any type of trading. And money management is also an equally important factor. But proper money management begins with compliance with risks. I'm gonna make a down trade for 1 minute for $180. And let's continue talking about risk management. Risk management are rules and actions that help reduce the number of losses in the market and make it possible not to lose more than planned. This approach allows any trader to stay afloat many times longer, because if all the rules are followed, even with constant losses, it will take a very long time to drain all your balance. So it's like a last man standing match. And let me tell you why it's very necessary to use risk management in binary options. So risk management in binary options trading is necessary, at least because there are no trading methods, strategies, and trading systems or indicators for binary options that could bring profit 100% of the cases. Just keep that out of your mind. There's no 100% guarantee. All right, our trade is closing. At profit, guys, that was very close. Guys, this trade proves that you can lose everything if you're not following the risk management. And the risk of getting a loss is present in every trade, all right? And it does not matter what market it is and what type of trading you're doing, binary options, stocks, forex, or cryptocurrency. And let me again violate the risk management rules and increase my trading amount to $340. But do not forget, I have a lot of experience in trading, and only thanks to it I can make such risks. All right, so let's keep going. And the reason why a trader receives a loss can be completely different, okay? It depends on every trader. But most often the reason is incorrect money management, okay? So incorrect trading psychology in binary options trading, bad mood, fatigue, stress, indiscipline, non-compliance with the rules of the trading strategy, or dealing with binary options as if it was a casino game and you have the desire to gain back what you've lost, for example. So all these factors I just mentioned are reasons for getting a loss. Now I'm waiting for the price to go lower to get a nice opportunity. And here we are. I made an up trade for $340 for 1 minute. I made this decision based on the Williams indicator, as its line, despite everything we're seeing here, was actively growing, which was a signal for me about a possible increase in price. That's why I made an up trade. Okay, so let's see how's that gonna turn out. And let my trade work itself out and continue talking about risk management. And the essence of risk management in binary options comes down to not losing most of your deposit, or at least all of it, in one trade. If a trader loses the entire deposit during trading in a very short period of time, then first of all, you have to pay attention to risk management, and then you can check your trading strategy. So risk management always comes first, guys. And when it comes to our current situation, when the trading amount reaches 99% of the balance, this is a complete disregard for risks. And our trade is closing. Our trade closed a profit, added to my account $299, almost $300. All right, so let's go next. And compliance with the risks in binary options allows traders to keep their trading account operational for as long as possible, so that by the time the series of unprofitable trades ends, it will be possible not only to return what was lost, but also to get additional profit. So as I mentioned, how longer can you keep going? And when it comes to emotions related to risks in binary options, I think that every new trader comes to trading almost always because of the desire for good earnings. I think this is indisputable. It'd be like, I want to earn not $50 or $100 a month, but at least $1,000. But as it usually is, the initial deposit of most of the new traders does not exceed $100 as we have today. That's why I wanted to show you today a live example of a new trader with $100 in his account. And again, I'm gonna violate the risk management and increase it to $640. And as you remember, guys, I only started with $100, and it will not be possible to earn steadily and a lot, and it makes no sense to set goals for $1,000 per month, since this will be equal to 1,000% growth, okay, which only the most experienced traders can achieve, and not always in a stable plan. And that is why trading accounts, when it comes to beginners, fade very quickly, because instead of following the rules of risk management, they take high risks while conducting their trades on binary options. So again, risk management, as I mentioned. I'm gonna make a down trade for $640 for 1 minute. And I want to note that today, guys, I'm doing high-risk trades, and not everyone will be able to replicate such a result. But at the same time, I want to show you that it's still possible, and I'm ready to help you earn the same. But despite all my experience, I can also make mistakes and receive losses. Therefore, I confirm that absolutely no one can guarantee 100% profit in all his trades. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. Risk management comes first. And emotionally, it's much more difficult to accept a loss than to accept a profit. An elementary example, which many may have encountered, in a situation when a trader earns $100 and he still feels that he needs to earn more. And my trade is closing, the price is declining so fast, and I closed my trade at profit and I earned $563. And despite all the risks, I managed to choose the right trades so that I could make that profit. And my balance is already more than $1,000. I increased my trading amount to $1,000. But now imagine if we lose the same $1,000. Then the feeling of loss cannot be compared with earning the same amount, because everyone comes to the market to earn. That is why it's necessary to always adhere to the established risks, since the approach always makes it possible not only to recover the losses, but also to make a profit. And let's make a down trade right now for $1,000. And I made this decision only on the basis of my experience and on the movement of the price chart. And after all, the Williams indicator showed an absolutely opposite signal. So experience is also an important factor here. All right? And we will continue to study the risks and consider ways to comply with the risks. There are many of them, but there are several main ones. Reducing risks by trading on only 1 to 3 assets. Reducing the risks by fixing the trading volume equal to a maximum of 5% of your balance, okay? Which is the classic percentage. And you can reduce the risks by setting a fixed number of losing trades per day and not using martingale systems and the like. And not doing high-risk investments, for example, investments in cryptocurrencies, and the transfer of your capital into trust management. And our trade is closing. And I made $900 in this trade. And let's continue to look for ways to reduce the risks. And here it's worth considering that when a trader chooses a large number of assets for trading, the chances of getting a loss also increases. So let's keep going. and I made an up trade for $1,000 for 1 minute. But why does the probability of losses increases when trading multiple assets? And that's why most financial instruments do not move in the same way, and a certain strategy can make a profit on one asset, but on another, it will already make a loss. Therefore, the best option would be to limit yourself to a few instruments and find or create your own trading strategy for them. So that's also an important advice for you guys. All right, so let's keep going. And the next point will be fixing the trading volume. It's important not to risk more than 5% of the deposit in one trade. And the larger the deposit is, the smaller the amount of trading volume should be. Ideally, this value should be from 0.5% to 1%. And my trade was a profit added to my account, $900 profit. And I think this is where high-risk trading session can end. And let's see the results. And guys, it took me a little more than 10 minutes to overclock my balance from $100 to $3,000, which is a great result. But as I mentioned, this was a high-risk trading session, and I don't recommend it for beginners, because if you're a beginner without experience, you are most likely to lose all your money when conducting such trades. But one thing you can do is to use a demo account, so you can applicate the things I taught you today. Practice makes perfect, and you'll be able to trade on your own. And I always remind you guys, before opening any trade, I want you to assess the market situation very carefully and also use technical indicators to reduce the risks to the minimal levels and make sure you set a plan over the long run. And if you would have any questions, you can ask me on Telegram. I'll leave you the link to my Telegram in the description below this video, and also the link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals and also run weekly marathons from $150 and up to $5,000 in a week time. So make sure you join the marathon, and also to sign up for PocketOption, you can text me today on Telegram to get the link that will give you 50% bonus on your deposit. So make sure you text me today. And if you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video. That's been it for today, and I'll catch you in the next one.